Welcome Walker Wolves to another Walker Weekly video. Here are some pictures of some fun activities that we have had going on in our school for the last couple weeks. Okay, we are in Miss Loberg's class. Miss Loberg's class, who can tell me what you earn the golden soccer ball for? Landon.
For being respectful at recess and being kind.
For being respectful at recess and being kind and following our expectations of Kaifuti. Excellent. All right, do we want to know who won golden soccer ball this time?
Yes.
Can you guys give me a drum roll, please? It goes to second grade. Good job, second grade. Proud of you. All right, we are awarding the Golden Paw. Miss Jensen's class is going to help us out today. Miss Jensen's class, how do we get the Golden Paw? How do we earn it? Jolie.
By being respectful in like Mr. Erickson class, library, and Miss Smith's class.
Good. Being respectful in specials class. Okay, and earning our paws in there and doing what we're supposed to in specials. Excellent. All right, do you guys want to help me announce who gets it? Yeah. Okay, can I have a drum roll, please? Fifth grade. Good job, fifth grade. All right, we are in Miss Tucker's class, and we are announcing the winner of the golden apple. Who can tell me how we earn the golden apple? Yes, sir. How do we earn it?
We earn it by staying quiet in the lunchroom and by staying in our seats and also by being respectful.
Good. Being respectful, staying in our seats, staying quiet in the lunchroom, and making sure we're cleaning up after ourselves, right?
Yeah.
All right. So let's announce who gets it. Can you guys do a drum roll, please? Second grade. Good job, second grade. We are going to start celebrating and recognizing our students who have birthdays during the 2 weeks in between our videos. And so here are some of our awesome students who have birthdays coming up in the next couple weeks. Happy birthday, guys!
Hey guys, it's Miss Emily, just coming here to tell you that we have had such great attendance. We want to shout out some classes who have had at least one day in the past 2 weeks of perfect attendance. That means you come every single day. So, in the last 2 weeks, these classes have had 100% attendance. Miss Fadine, Miss Tucker, Miss Gift, Miss Loberg, Miss Lookinland, Miss Russell, Miss Kemp, Miss Dodd, Miss Grimm, Miss Johnson, Miss Niles, Mr. Pritchard, Miss Ring, Miss Seaman, and Miss Marshall. Keep up the good work. We're so excited that you're here every single day. Next video, look out for our really cool attendance program that we're going to introduce. See you later.
All right, here are our students who got some outstandings this week. This week we got outstandings for lining up appropriately and quietly and following expectations in the hallway. So we have Lisbeth from Miss Lookinland's class, Michael from Miss Svadine's class, Riveline from Miss Courtney's class, Elia from Miss Kemp's class, Zara from Miss Niles' class, Dakota from Miss Hernandez's class, Nicole from Miss Johnson's class, Mariana from Miss W's class, Jimena from Miss Russell's class, Preem from Miss Seaman's class, and Mateo from Miss Loberg's class. Great job, guys, on being outstanding. Thank you for being so great in the hallway and being a good example to the other students in your class. Okay, if you are wanting to earn an outstanding this next week, our next week's focus is integrity. And we have a few students who are going to tell you what that is and what that looks like.
Integrity is when you are kind of helping others and being honest and making sure you're not being super rude or you're not putting yourself down or other people down.
Integrity means that you do good things like picking up trash or being responsible while nobody's watching.
Integrity can also mean to be nice and kind and always never do anything bad. Even though there is hard times, you can still face the hard times to make something better.
Integrity means helping others and always helping yourself and standing up for other people and being kind even though no one's looking that you're doing it, but you still have to be honest.
All right, we are going to do our Walker Wolf cheer for all of our awesome students. who got outstandings and our classes who earned the golden trophies. So everybody with me. 1, 2, 3. Awoo! Great job, Walker Wolves. Have a great weekend and let's have a great couple weeks.